Hello and welcome to the earnings update of Muthoot Finance Limited and its subsidiaries for the first quarter of the financial year 2023. As India marks 75 years of independence, it gives me immense pride and joy in joining in the celebrations with you. Jai Hind. The consolidated gross loan assets of the group stood at Rs 63,443 crores at the end of quarter 1 of this financial year, compared to Rs 58,134 at the end of quarter 1 of the previous financial year, registering a year-on-year growth of 9% for the quarter 1. The group reported a consolidated profit of Rs 825 crores for quarter 1 as against 979 crores in the previous quarter. The gross loan assets of Muthoot Finance, the flagship company, stood at Rs 56,689 crores at the end of quarter 1 compared to Rs 52,613 crores at the end of quarter 1 of the previous year. Of this, gold loan assets under management increased to 56,176 crores compared to 52,068 crores at the end of the same quarter in the previous financial year. Your company reported a standalone profit of Rs 802 crores in quarter 1 as against Rs 971 crores in the last quarter. In financial year 22, Muthoot Finance paid out a dividend of 200% on its shares, amounting to Rs 803 crores. Your company stays ahead of the curve in terms of digital adoption, with loan repayments now available through Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay. We launched the AI-based chat box with transactional capabilities and WhatsApp banking with online top-up facility. Other initiatives include video KYC, digital KYC for digital onboarding of customers through CRM. I am happy to report that 35.3% of our gold loan customers are now transacting online. Our loan at home continues to see very impressive downloads. We have a strong presence pan-India through our large network of 4,617 branches, especially well represented in rural India, providing rural customers with the much needed access to credit. The average gold business per branch stood at Rs 12.16 crores for the financial year as against 11.2 crores in the same quarter in the previous financial year. Muthoot Finance enjoys a stable source of funding through a combination of secured, non-convertible debentures, bank and FI borrowings, external commercial borrowings and other loans, all of which command the highest ratings amongst gold loan companies. Your company also maintains a robust capital adequacy ratio of 13.62% of its risk-weighted assets as at the end of June 2022. Muthoot Finance's 26,618 strong workforce puts its best foot forward every day by providing best-in-class service and solutions to our valued customers. Now going on to the performance of the subsidiaries, the recently rebranded Asia Asset PLC is our 73% Sri Lankan subsidiary headquartered out of Colombo. It's a fully licensed deposit-taking institution registered with the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. The gross AUM under management of Asia Assets stood at Sri Lankan rupees 17,623 million at the end of quarter 1, compared to 14,289 million at the end of the previous financial quarter. Asia Assets reported a profit after tax of Sri Lankan rupees 50 million for the first quarter of financial year 23, compared to 10 million at the end of the previous quarter in the last year. Muthoot Home Finance Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary, housing loan subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. The gross loan assets under management stood at Rs 1,474 crores at the end of Q1 compared to 1,705 crores at the end of the same quarter last year. Home Finance also reported a profit after tax of 1.5 crores against 0.5 crores in the previous quarter. Muthoot Insurance Brokers, the private limited company, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Muthoot Finance, involved in the distribution of both life and non-life insurance products of various insurance companies. In quarter 1, it distributed 11,84,000 policies, the premium collection of 131 crores compared to 3 lakh policies and 61 crores in Q1 of last year. This is a remarkable increase of 234% in lives insured and 110% increase in premium. Insurance brokers also reported a profit of 7 crores for this quarter as against 4.3 crores in the previous quarter. Bellstar Microfinance is a 57% subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. As at the end of the last quarter, the gross AUM stood at 4,695 crores compared to 3,072 crores in the same quarter of the previous financial year, showing a year-on growth of 53% for this quarter. Bellstar reported a profit after tax of 13.8 crores compared to rupees 2 crores in financial year 22. This is a year-on-year growth of 590%. Muthoot Money is also a wholly-owned subsidiary of Muthoot Finance. As at the end of the quarter, it has a gross loan assets under management of 197 crores as against 333 crores in the same quarter last year. This registered a profit of 5 lakhs in this quarter as against 11 lakhs in the previous quarter.
Welcome to the earnings update for Muthoot Finance Limited and its subsidiaries for Quarter 1 Financial Year 2023. The diversified business of the Muthoot Finance Group consists of Muthoot Finance Limited, the flagship enterprise, Muthoot Home Fin India Limited, Bellstar Microfinance Limited, Muthoot Money Limited, Asia Asset Finance PLC, Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited, Muthoot Asset Management Private Limited, and Muthoot Trustee Private Limited. As at the end of Quarter 1, Financial Year 2023, the group has a total branch network of 5,667 branches compared to 5,443 branches at the end of the same period in the previous financial year. The consolidated gross loan assets of the group stood at rupees 63,443 crores at the end of Quarter 1, Financial Year 2023, compared to rupees 58,134 crores for the same quarter in Financial Year 2022, a 9% year-on-year increase. The consolidated profit for the group stood at rupees 825 crores for Quarter 1 Financial Year 2023. Muthoot Finance Limited contributed 89% of the gross loan assets of the group, with the subsidiaries contributing the remaining 11%. The gross loan assets of Muthoot Finance Limited, the flagship company, stood at rupees 56,689 crores at the end of Quarter 1, Financial Year 2023, compared to rupees 52,613 crores at the end of the same quarter in Financial Year 2022, a year-on-year growth of 8%. Muthoot Finance Limited, the flagship company, reported a consolidated standalone profit of rupees 802 crores for Q1 Financial Year 2023. Muthoot Finance Limited is India's largest gold loan financing company by loan portfolio. It is a trusted pan-India brand in the gold loan sector that revolutionized India's gold banking, empowering millions of people across the social pyramid. Muthoot Finance is present in 29 states and union territories in India, has 178 tons of gold jewelry kept as security, and serves over 200,000 customers every day. Muthoot Finance has strong promoter interest in the business with a 73% shareholding. Board of Directors of Muthoot Finance Limited Group, Promoter Group. Board of Directors of the Muthoot Finance Limited Group, Independent Directors. In financial year 2022, Muthoot Finance paid out a dividend of 200% on its shares, amounting to rupees 802 crores. We have a strong pan-India presence through our large network of 4,617 branches. We are especially represented in rural India, providing rural customers with much-needed access to credit. Muthoot Finance is a pioneer in digital adoption, with loan repayments now available through Paytm, PhonePe, and Google Pay. We launched an AI-based chatbot with transactional capabilities and WhatsApp banking with online top-up facility. Other initiatives include video KYC and digital KYC for digital onboarding of customers through CRM. 35.3% of our gold loan customers are now transacting online. Our Loan at Home app continues to see very impressive downloads. Muthoot Finance Limited has a strong capital base with a total net worth of rupees 18,325 crores as at the end of Quarter 1 Financial Year 2023. The core business of Muthoot Finance continues to be gold loans, with the gold loans under management standing at rupees 56,176 crores at the end of Q1 financial year 2023. Muthoot Finance enjoys stable sources of funding through a combination of secured non-convertible debentures, bank and FI borrowings, external commercial borrowings and other loans, all of which command the highest ratings amongst gold loan companies. The average gold loan business per branch has increased to rupees 12.16 crores at the end of Q1 financial year 2022 from rupees 11.25 crores at the end of the same quarter in the previous financial year. Muthoot Finance Limited has a highly liquid portfolio with average monthly disbursements of rupees 12,700 crores and collections of rupees 13,200 crores during Q1 financial year 2023. A high proportion of gold loans are repaid within the first 6 months. Regarding the safety of our gold loan portfolio, from the lender's perspective, the market price of gold content in pledged ornaments stands at rupees 82,900 crores at the end of Q1 financial year 2023, which translates into a 32% margin of safety on loans. From the borrower's perspective, the market value of gold ornaments stands at rupees 99,500 crores, which translates into a 44% equity of the borrower in gold ornaments net of loans availed. As at the end of Q1 financial year 2023, Muthoot Finance has 80,90,132 loan accounts across 51,73,166 customers. The net interest margin on loan assets for Muthoot Finance stands at 13.04% for financial year 2022. Muthoot Finance's return on average loan assets for financial year 2022 is 7.24%. Muthoot Finance enjoys the highest domestic credit ratings amongst gold loan companies for its debt instruments. It also enjoys favorable long-term international credit ratings for the business. Muthoot Finance's operational efficiency has increased over the years. Its operating expenses to average loan assets for financial year 2022 stood at 3.48% compared to 3.92% for the previous financial year. Muthoot Finance's profit after tax increased to rupees 3,954 crores for financial year 2022 compared to rupees 3,722 crores in the previous financial year. Muthoot Finance creates stable shareholder value with a return of average equity of 23.55% for financial year 2022. Muthoot Finance maintains a strong capital adequacy ratio of 30.62% of its risk-weighted assets. Muthoot Finance's 26,618 strong, skilled and committed workforce strives every day to provide best-in-class services to our valued customers. On to the performance of the subsidiaries of Muthoot Finance Limited. Asia Asset Finance PLC is a 73% Sri Lankan subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. Headquartered out of Colombo, it is a fully licensed deposit-taking institution registered with the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. The gross loan assets under management of Asia Asset Finance stood at Sri Lankan rupees 17,623 million at the end of Q1 financial year 2023 compared to Sri Lankan rupees 14,289 million at the end of Q1 of the previous financial year. Asia Asset Finance reported a profit after tax of Sri Lankan rupees 50 million for the first quarter of financial year 2023 compared to Sri Lankan rupees 10 million at the end of Q1 financial year 2022, a year-on-year growth in profits of 400% for Q1. Muthoot Homefin India Limited is a wholly owned housing loan subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. The gross loan assets under management of Muthoot Homefin stood at rupees 1,474 crores at the end of Q1 financial year 2023 compared to rupees 1,704 crores at the end of the same quarter in the previous financial year. For Q1 financial year 2023, Muthoot Homefin reported a profit after tax of rupees 1.5 crores compared to 50 lakhs for the same quarter in financial year 2022. Muthoot Insurance Brokers Private Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. It is involved in the distribution of both life and non-life insurance products of various insurance companies. In Q1 financial year 2023, it distributed 11,84,206 policies with premium collection of rupees 130 crores compared to 3,53,967 policies with a premium collection of Rs 60 crores during the same quarter in the previous financial year. This is a remarkable increase of 234% in lives insured and 116% in premiums collected year-on-year for quarter 1. Muthoot Insurance Brokers registered a profit after tax of Rs 7.1 crores in quarter 1 financial year 2023 compared to Rs 4.3 crores in the same quarter of the previous financial year. Bellstar Microfinance Limited is a 57% subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. It is an NBFC microfinance institution as classified by the Reserve Bank of India. As at the end of quarter 1 financial year 2023, the gross loan AUM of Bellstar stood at Rs 4,696 crores compared to Rs 3,072 crores for the same quarter of the previous financial year, a year-on-year growth of 53% for quarter 1. Bellstar reported a profit after tax of Rs 13.8 crores for quarter 1 financial year 2023 compared to Rs 2 crores for the same quarter in financial year 2022, a year-on-year growth of a remarkable 590% in profits for quarter 1. Muthoot Money Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Muthoot Finance Limited. As at the end of quarter 1 financial year 2023, it has a gross loan AUM of Rs 197 crores compared to Rs 332 crores for the same quarter in the previous financial year. In quarter 1 financial year 2023, Muthoot Money registered a profit after tax of Rs 10 lakhs.
Although it has been a challenging quarter for the business, Muthoot Finance has displayed strong numbers and an increasingly larger base. We expect our strategic calls to bear fruit and hope to report better numbers in the coming quarter. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all our stakeholders, including our customers, shareholders, debt fund providers, governing regulators, and of course, our committed workforce. Once again, I join you in celebrating India's 75th year of independence. Stay safe. Jai Hind.